It's a beautiful morning and you would like to bake something really special for you and a friend for breakfast this morning. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks with chocolate hazelnut banana bread. So let's get started. Let's prepare the bananas. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients.
Yes!
Time to add the dry ingredients. Set your timer for 70 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Banana bread was first seen in the United States in the 1870s. However, it did not become popular until the Depression of the 1930s. Housewives use overripe bananas in their banana bread recipes. Let's make the chocolate hazelnut glaze. The toothpick test came out clean, so the bread is done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's try a slice of this chocolate hazelnut banana bread. Oh, that's really good. The bananas, chocolate, and hazelnuts creates an amazing and exciting banana bread that your guests will definitely enjoy. Join the community. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Your guest is headed downstairs, and of course breakfast is ready. Stay with us, watch another video.